Hello! Today I'm gonna sleep in blanket fort in backyard in a snowstorm. Come right in and look what I got in here. Hello everybody! Today I'm gonna build a blanket fort to my backyard. There's two reasons why I'm gonna build it backyard. The forest is super wet and it's supposed to rain today, so making blanket fort in there it's not probably the best idea. And second is I've been sick today, so carrying all those blankets and stuff to the forest like hell to the no. So I'm gonna build the blanket fort in here in my patio. So right over here somewhere there's some kind of roof, so I'm not gonna be totally wet, and there's a lot of room, and also I can do some barbecue stuff in here. And here is my built-in supervisor. He's gonna make sure I'm gonna do good work. I hope this helps that cold air doesn't come from down. Alright. I'm going all in with this blanket fort. So there is this. That looks so comfy. Ah! Ooh! This looks like a really soft carpet, but it really isn't. I'm using these snippity snap. It is starting to come together, but I need to put something soft in there because this carpet it's not enough. Wow! Look at this! Yes! Oh yes! One more. The boss is here to check the quality. I got 2 blankets left. I'm just gonna throw those over everything to make it more warm. Alright, let's check inside. Come on, cat. Okay. It's not finished yet, but looks pretty good. The blankets on this side are thick and here not. So should I do something for that? I don't know. I went to the store to buy something to barbecue, and this is what happened meanwhile. Well, the good thing is there isn't snow inside, but all the blankets are covered in snow, and I don't know, they're kind of wet. It's almost May in Finland and it's still snowing. Where is my summer? Alright, time to make some food and light up the grill. This is just normal, almost May weather in Finland. Here is a pro tip for all you barbecue people. Put aluminium foil down there, so it's much easier to clean. It's like as Finnish people always say, it's always good weather to barbecue. For food I have mushrooms, and I'm gonna put blue cheese inside those and wrap those in, of course, bacon. Also I have Carolina Reaper chili sausage, marshmallows. So very good food. Gonna take these off, so there is room for blue cheese. Like that. If you don't like blue cheese, you can use like goat cheese, then bacon. And we're just gonna wrap these mushrooms in bacon. Ta-da. Okay, the food is ready. Look at those. Not bad, right? Let's go inside and eat. Ta-da! I have lights in here and everything. Let's taste first the hot sausage. It is hot. Ooh. It's not like the bomb hot, but it is hot. And then these are so good. Here's the temperature. Outside -4.7. Inside it doesn't show if that is minus. So I bet it's as cold in here as it is outside, because the wind just goes through these blankets. It's pretty cold in here. And here is Fahrenheit. If you look at my legs, it's snowing inside. I'm not quite sure can I really sleep in here. Oh my, I have to think about this. The problem is I was expecting rain, so then this roof, that would help. But now the wind carries the snow straight to the blankets. I've been cleaning these all the time, but this amount of snow came in 5 minutes, so I think I'm gonna wake up like in 5 AM that it's gonna crash on me. It's getting dark in here. Let there be a light. How cool is this? I'm gonna make 6 at the time because it's so cold in here. Nice. The snow just comes in, makes everything wet. This is a disaster. What's the weather outside? I mean, look at this. There's snow everywhere. Ow! I went inside my sleeping bag because it was so cold. Much warmer in here. Try to stay positive. I guess I see you in the morning. Good night. Morning. Good sleeping bag. That's a bless. Maximum was almost 7 Celsius. 20 Fahrenheit. How do I put this on? the snow. Alright, that was blanket fort in the backyard. Turned out to be blanket fort in a snowstorm, but I survived. Good sleeping bag, that saves a lot. And let's see you in the next adventure. Bye bye.